Hi guys, welcome to Chilli Pot Kitchen. My name is Dharshini. Today I'm going to share a very delicious and flavorful marinara sauce made in the Instant Pot from scratch using fresh tomatoes. This is a healthy and vegan version with no chemical preservatives and sugar added. This sauce goes great for any Italian meal, pizza, pasta, spaghetti and even for soups. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make marinara sauce in the Instant Pot. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. First, turn on the saute mode. Once the pot is hot, add olive oil. Add chopped garlic. Adjust the garlic as per your preference. Add onion. Saute it for a minute. Add bell peppers. This is completely optional. Orange and red bell peppers work fine for this recipe. Saute it for a few seconds. Add chopped carrot and saute it for a few seconds. Don't skip this step because carrot helps to thicken the sauce. Add salt to taste. You can add any seasonings of your choice. I am adding Italian seasoning and chilli flakes. Give it a mix. Cancel the saute mode. Close the lid and seal the vent. Pressure cook the tomatoes for 5 minutes under high pressure. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes, then release the remaining pressure. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Now, use a hand blender to blend it as a sauce. If you are using a mixer jar, make sure to let the tomatoes cool down before you blend. You can add any herbs of your choice. I am adding freshly chopped parsley and basil leaves. Give it a mix, check the taste and adjust the salt and spice according to your preference. If your tomato is too sour, add a teaspoon of sugar to neutralize the acidity level. Transfer it to a glass jar and refrigerate it. It stays good in the refrigerator for 1 week and stays good for 3 months in the freezer. Do try this delicious and flavorful Instant Pot marinara sauce from fresh tomatoes. It goes great with pasta and spaghetti. This is our favorite marinara sauce. Do try this Instant Pot pasta sauce. Trust me, you won't buy the bottled one again. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.